love me, I tell him only partly. I only love my bed and my mama. I'm sorry, Betty Dub, I even got it tatted on.
Hey guys, it's Miriam, and today I am so excited because this video is in collaboration with Daniel Wellington. If you've been following me for a while, you would know that Daniel Wellington is literally one of my favorite companies. I absolutely love their watches and accessories. Like, I wear them all the time, and I'm so excited and grateful to be collaborating with them once again for their Mother's Day campaign. From May 1st to May 12th, Daniel Wellington is running a Mother's Day campaign where they have 8 different gift boxes with 10% off, and you can actually use my code Miriam2019 to get an additional 15% off any of those gift boxes. I'll include a photo of the gift boxes on the screen right here. They are honestly so gorgeous. I am obsessed with every single one of them, and I seriously think they would make the best Mother's Day present, or you can even treat yourself to one, because honestly you just gotta treat yourself sometimes. Anyways, I've got my gift set right here to unbox. I am so excited. I still haven't seen it, so I'm really excited to unbox it and see how it looks like and try it on. But before we actually get into unboxing this, can we please talk about how adorable this packaging is? In my last Daniel Wellington unboxing, I just could not shut up about how cute the packaging was, and I'm doing it again. I love the navy blue and red together. It's such a nice color combo, and honestly, cute packaging just makes everything so much better. Like, I am more likely to purchase something if the packaging looks nice. So 10 out of 10 for Daniel Wellington's packaging. So when you actually open the gift set, there is another box inside which has the watch and bracelet in it. So this is the box. It just says Daniel Wellington on it. And now it's officially time to open this box up and see what my gift set looks like. I am so excited. Oh my god! This is so cute! Guys, what the heck? This is absolutely stunning. Okay, so the gift set that I got is called the Classic Cuff Small in Rose Gold and Petite Melrose 32mm in Rose Gold. So a little fun fact about me, I absolutely love rose gold. It is my favorite color for jewelry, and I am just so excited over this, and I'm like totally internally fangirling right now. Each gift set comes with a watch and a bracelet. I absolutely love this bracelet because it's so like delicate looking, and I'm obsessed with delicate looking jewelry and stuff in general, so I'm obsessed with this. I can already tell that my mom is gonna try and steal this from me because this is just so pretty and it's so up her alley as well. So I may have to actually order this same one for her so she doesn't try and steal mine. But anyways, I'm actually gonna take the watch out because I really want to try it on. Oh my gosh, guys, I've just put on the watch and the cuff. This is what it looks like. I love the rose gold color so much more than I expected to, and it just like fits really well. And even the bracelet, like, look how thin and simple it looks, but it just adds something extra. It's like so simple and elegant, and I love it. I already feel like I would totally wear this with the outfit that I'm wearing right now. I think this jacket goes so well with the watch, which I didn't really expect it to, but I'm like pleasantly surprised. What I like most about the watch, apart from the color, is the strap. I really like how thin it is because honestly, I actually prefer thinner straps because I think they just look more like delicate and cutesy, if that makes sense. And the watch in general was super easy to put on. I find that when I wear watches, I'm just completely hopeless at putting it on. I'm just a complete hot mess. But this is just literally like a buckle that you just need to, hang on, I will actually show you because it's pretty easy. All you have to do is practically like put it on, and then you just like lock it into place and it's done. Like, it literally takes like 2 seconds to do. And what I love most about the bracelet is that it is so simple and it just goes with so many different outfits. I just find that I don't really have that much like simple looking bracelets. All my bracelets are very like out there, I guess. So I'm really happy that I actually finally have one that's more on the simple side. And I actually have a similar looking bracelet like this from Daniel Wellington that's in this like pinky dusty rose color, and I wear that all the time and I love it. So I'm glad I can switch it up and also wear the rose gold one when I'm not wearing the dusty rose one. I'm not gonna lie, I think this watch may be my new favorite because the color's nice, it's super easy to put on, it fits really well, the strap is thin, and it's just so my aesthetic. It literally goes with all of the outfits that I wear like on the daily. Anyways, that concludes today's video. I want to give a huge thank you to the amazing team at Daniel Wellington for collabing with me and also just believing in me as a creator. It honestly means so much to me. Don't forget, you can use my code Miriam2019 on Daniel Wellington's website to get 15% off your order. And if you choose to purchase any of the 8 gift boxes that I mentioned earlier in this video between 1st of May to 12th of May, you will automatically get 10% off. And if you use my code Miriam2019, you will automatically get like 25% off your whole order. So I'll have all the codes, the links, and everything in the description box below so you guys can check it out. Anyways, be sure to give this video a huge thumbs up if you enjoyed watching, and don't forget to subscribe down below as well because I post new videos every single week. And go ahead and follow me on Instagram and Twitter because I post a lot on there as well. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!
I got no rules, I count 'em.